Oh, what it do? Here's another video. Tonight we're going to a fucking lowrider show. We got my boy Chris with a fucked up alignment I did. Yeah. Danny, president of Top Tier with the RT Ram. We about to head out. Fucking pedophile. The homeboy Danny going the bags. Yeah, it's popping y'all tonight. Right here at Whittier Blvd. Got more barrel truck, got trucks. I know y'all heard of him. You're lucky my truck ain't here, cause I would have ripped this shit up, fool. We're still waiting for parking, dog. Hopefully it's a chill meet. Nobody do no fucking stupid shit. Lowriders over there. Hey, you set the car alarm. Yo, too loud, fool. Oh, look at that Corvette. Nice. What the fuck? Orale, over here, looking. Got the lowriders right here. Got the homie Chito right here. Got all the homie lowriders. What's up, Chito? So what's up to the fucking vlog? What's up to the vlog? Hey. The lowriders. We got a G8 right here. Pretty packed tonight. A lot of trucks and lowriders. Got biker fool over there too. Yeah. President's RT. Johnny's Ram RT. Hey. The little midget's car. Tell me you don't really put a phone. Top tier lineup right here. Hey, just missing my truck, but you know, we'll be back. That shit broken, but we'll be back. Hey, hopefully next video my truck will be back. Oh shit, the homie Johnny pulled up another Ram. Damn, we're over here top tier, low key, a little deep in Whittier. Oh shit, he just burned out right now. Alright, y'all put in the comments who burned out. Let's go see what's up. Sheesh. Left that shit smoking. I know if I was like fucking punching right there, dog. This fool's gonna fucking try to, what the fuck? Trying to swing it. Oh, hell no. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That car's gonna try next, or what the fuck? Hey, right here at Whittier Blvd, this fool's getting it active. Oh, he broke the bottle. That fool don't, no quema, no quema. No quema. Hey, that shit doesn't fucking burn, huh? Hey. Who's trying to fucking swing it? I think he got traction control on. What the fuck? These fools are stupid. Alright, don't do this in Whittier Blvd if you come here. Motherfuckers are stupid for that shit, but hey, it's content.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're dipping out the meat. Dipping out Whittier. Go that way, go that way. Go, John. Yeah, I think John's gonna swing it. Go, no, go. Hold on, wait right here. John's gonna swing it, fool. Oh, the car! The car! Oh shit, part of me gone wrong. Nah. Fuck. They got the homie John. Fuck. Damn. So we're right here, the homie John. We got put in the back of the car right now. But we're gonna see what's up, because his lady's in there too. So we'll see if we can get him out. Damn.
But you guys heard of Fort Montavia and Montavia, right?
Clean on the
You
cop.
never heard of executioners and banditos, huh? Sick.
Hey, it's a good vlog. Hella action. Oh, goddamn. You turn the camera over on this badass. That's tough.
Record him, tell him.
Oh, hell. That shit was funny.
I can shine without no VV, I'm a top tier type nigga. She put that pussy on me cause I'm nothing like her nigga. Don't drown me.